Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve eFootball 2027 download completed 100% stock problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. Check internet connection on your phone, tap on hold eFootball, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search eFootball 2027. Update eFootball game on your Play Store or App Store. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.